Hello, my name's Falco. We're on location today at the Ewok Ramp, and I'm going to teach you Fakie frontside 50-50 to Fakie. Two tricks that'll really help you with this are frontside 50-50 to Fakie, and also learning Fakie frontside 50-50. Once you have the frontside 50-50 to Fakie and the Fakie frontside 50-50s down, you can try Fakie frontside 50-50 to Fakie. You're going to come up backwards with your foot on the tail. You're going to ride at an angle into a Fakie frontside 50-50. Now this is when it's going to get hard. You want to start leaning your shoulders and you bring it into Fakie. You have to really trust yourself, turn your shoulders, and turn your head the direction you're going. Enjoy the ride and be super stoked. After learning Fakie frontside 50-50 to Fakie, if you're feeling a little frisky, you can try half cab frontside 50-50 to Fakie. Good luck, have some fun out there, guys.